Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by powering and preparing the earbuds so pairing works reliably. Charge both the case and earbuds to full. The LED will show when ready. Once done, remove the earbuds from the case to automatically power them on. Listen for the single beep that confirms activation. Now make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and keep the device within 3 to 5 meters. This reduces dropouts and speeds pairing, so you can move to the next step immediately without repeating basic setup. You'll pair and customize controls to get the behavior you want. Open your device's Bluetooth list and select the Skullcandy model when it appears. Pairing completes with a confirmation tone. If automatic pairing doesn't happen, put the earbuds in manual pairing by holding the button on the case or each bud for 3-5 seconds. The LED will flash. Once connected, open the Skullcandy app to set EQ, enable hands-free voice functions, and map touch or button controls so playback and calls work exactly as you prefer. You'll finish by optimizing fit and knowing how to fix common issues. Try different ear tips until you get a snug seal. That improves bass response and active noise performance. Use single ear mode for calls or the touch controls for playback. Returning buds to the case powers them off. If you encounter audio dropouts, uneven sound, or control failures, perform a reset by holding both earbud buttons for about 10 seconds, then repair. If problems persist, clean contacts and retry. This fixes most connectivity faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.